Hi guys, I'm Christina from HungryForever Bangalore, and today we are here at Amrut Distilleries in Bengaluru. A love of whiskey can unite people, even people from two different continents. Today we have with us Mr. Dennis Steckel, also known as Mr. Amrut Fever, to share a little bit with us about his experiences with Amrut and his journey towards one of India's top whiskeys.
Hi, I'm Dennis Steckel from Sweden, also known as Mr. Amrut Fever. I'm 46 years old this month. I have a nice family home in Sweden, a wife and 3 kids. In 2014 was the first real interaction with Amrut. I thought Amrut was a really interesting name, so I bought 3 bottles of Amrut single cask, 1 bourbon, 1 port pipe and 1 PX sherry to share with some friends. Now I have a quite big Amrut collection, but it's not only a collection, it's also for enjoying whiskey. One more thing that really got me into loving Amrut was the design of the Greedy Angel. The Greedy Angel is now on my arm together with my kids. I also have the Amrut logo on my left arm, and this is showing my love for Amrut. Last year, me and my wife was invited to Amrut, and I got the chance of a lifetime to inaugurate the new distillery plant. Me and my wife also got the chance to fill 1 barrel each. So in one of the racks I have a barrel, and that's a big honor.
So that was just a little sneak peek into what life's like at the Amrut Distillery, as well as what it's like to be an Amrut superfan like Mr. Dennis Steckel. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, as well as follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry.